Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making maple cream cheese spread. This 3-ingredient cream cheese spread is so perfect for the holidays. It brings a sweet and comforting flavor to toast, bagels, scones, and more. Let me show you guys how to make it. It could not be easier to whip up this gourmet cream cheese spread at home for the holidays. So first you're just going to need a medium-sized mixing bowl. And now I'm just going to mix this together with a spatula, but if you guys like a whipped cream cheese spread, then you can use your hand mixer for this or even your stand mixer with the whisk attachment too. So we're going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm using full-fat cream cheese for this. I like the full-fat cream cheese because I think it has the most flavor, but if you guys want to use a low-fat cream cheese, that totally works too. And a little tip for you guys, if you want to save your cream cheese container, then you can just store your cream cheese right back in it and stick it in the fridge. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then last, we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And this part is optional, but I really like the salt because I think it cuts the sweet in just the right way. Now we're just going to stir this together until everything is combined and we have a smooth and creamy cream cheese. Once it's smooth and creamy, then it's ready to go. If you're serving brunch, you can transfer this to a little dish and it's going to be perfect for spreading on top of bagels, toast, scones, cinnamon rolls, all kinds of pastries. This is a gourmet cream cheese spread that you can make at home and it only takes just a few minutes. You can store this in your fridge for up to 7 days. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more brunch recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.